Hi, I'm Cinnamon Cooney, the Art Sherpa, and what I do is help people learn how to paint with acrylic. I really love a beginner. I love somebody who's never painted before. There's nothing that gives me a bigger thrill than showing somebody that they're way more artistic than they ever imagined. If you're kind of creative and you've been wanting to learn how to paint, taking one of my classes would be life-changing. I cannot believe that Made It Con is right around the corner. It's coming up on March 15th, 16th, and 17th in the Dallas-Fort Worth area at the Riley Center. It's going to be a complete craft maker-arama of all kinds of creative fun. Now, as a sneak peek to the awesomeness that's going to be Made It Con, we've got all kinds of crazy things planned. There's the Glamma Jamma party, which is a super kind of crazy dress up slumber party where creativity is primarily focused. Did we go a little crazy with the goodie bags? We might have gone a little crazy with the goodie bags. What I would say is just make sure that you've left some room in your car and your luggage so you can get back home because you are going to come back hauling. I am totally excited to be giving you kind of a sneak peek behind the scenes, a little taste, a little insight into what's going to be going on at Made It Con. Now, get ready because there's all kinds of groovy things happening. There are name tag contests. There's a secret button event going on. There's tons of classes. I've got painting classes. I have got a workshop. You got to go to the workshop. It'll change your life. We've got dress up, nighttime, slumber party, art crafting, making. Did we go crazy with the goodie bags? What I'm going to say is make sure that you have room in your car or your luggage because this officially will be a haul. It will be Haulzilla. It will be the biggest haul that you have ever snapped and totally gone on social media with to be like to your friends, I got this stuff. I got this cool stuff. You see my stuff? I got this cool stuff. Yes, you're going to get tons of stuff. I have so much stuff because I have so many cool friends that make art supplies. And I heard a bunch of the other teachers are kind of doing the same thing. I imagine it's going to be a real treasure hunt. So now I've got the painting classes. These are 2-hour, totally awesome painting classes. There are unbelievable goodies in these classes. There was a butterfly, it totally sold out. There are some seats left in that gorgeous D's Trees landscape. These are very beginner friendly. So if you've never painted before and you've been kind of like thinking that you want to, and you thought if somebody would just explain all the steps in a really direct way, you would go for it. This is totally going to be your jam. Plus, remember that goodie bag thing I mentioned earlier? Yeah, this is definitely going to contribute to the haul, and you're going to get to try some stuff that you might not ever get to try that you're going to love. And everything is going to be made super easy. There's some really fun memory keepsake stuff happening in there, so you know that you're going to be able to keep it forever and ever and ever. It's going to be extraordinary. I'm really excited to be teaching. I love having students in person. If your mind's already blown, I really want you to check the description down below. There's information there, there's a link. You can find out everything you need to know about this event. For a con, I have to say it's pretty cool. You know, you could come for just the meet and greet, but there's not even like an overhead ticket like a lot of the big cons get. This is really about you guys coming and having as much opportunity to have as much fun with different creative teachers, myself included, because you know, you got to paint. But listen, there's something that I think you've got to do. You've got to be at the workshop. I mean, be at the workshop. The workshop is going to be incredible. And you might be thinking, well, I would like to go to the workshop, but it has like the word work in it. And yeah, it's super economical. It's like not like very pricey, but you know, work. Well, first of all, dude, the workshop is going to totally change how you feel about creativity. I'm going to talk to you about what the artist journey is and how that relates to you. Because even if you don't call yourself an artist today, you're going to be by the end of the workshop. The demo is going to be incredible. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to love the painting. It's going to be in your heart. And then you're going to be like, I really wish I had that painting. Yes, of course, I'm going to have a YouTube tutorial for it after for all of you guys, for which it was a seminal event that changed everything. But also, the goodie bags, so many goodie bags, and we have so many people making sure there's a lot of love in it. So the little cost of the ticket in no way is even close to the goodie bags. You guys totally need to make sure you're in here. If you've ever been curious about painting or what this artist thing is all about, you've got to show up. It's going to be fun. It's going to be funny. And you're going to walk out feeling amazing. And again, haul. I'm also going to be taking part in May's signature roundtable creative agonza. She does this whole thing where everybody comes in and they have a different project, and it's kind of like speed dating, but it actually ends really, really happy. This is going to be great, and I am going to be hooking you up on the artist trading cards. So you're going to love this. You're going to come away with a little tiny piece of art. You're going to just enjoy it so much. I'm going to be really sharing my love of artist trading cards with you. One of my favorite things about Made It Con is it's all about me getting to meet the people that I'm being creative with. It's about the teachers getting to know the people they're being creative with. And that's especially important to anyone who's on YouTube, because being able to be face to face with the names that we see is just amazing. Now, the best part of this whole thing is the pajama glamour. Do you like dress up? Do you like pajamas? Do you like creativity? It's like the slumber party that you wish was still going on in your life. We're all going to get in our crazy glammy jammies, and we're going to make all kinds of processes. There's tons of love coming from the art materials world to you, and they're going to be like at a table. So many new things to discover. I'm going to be there. Stunt Hands is going to be there. I think a bunch of the teachers at the con are going to be there, and we're going to be just like late night creative machinations and laughter and hugs and joy. Plus, there's gonna be a photo booth. That's right. The Team Sherpa is bringing a really fun way for you guys to make memories from this event and get those keepsakes, because I imagine you're going to be finding a new best friend at this event. And so you guys are going to love that whole goofy creative space so that you can absolutely keep those memories that I know you're going to be having in your heart. So if you're goof and you love your jammies, you're going to want to definitely come to this. Oh, wait, there's no cost. Did I mention that? There's no cost? No, there's no cost. That's just if you're taking a class, you get to go to the Glamma Jamma. One of the reasons I was so keen and excited when May invited me to Made It Con is the fact that she gets YouTube life. And she was like, first thing she told me right off the bat, speaking of free, there's a free meet and greet. Hey, we're all at different places in life. We can't always budget everything. And knowing that, she totally made sure that there was a completely open free meet and greet so you can come and just meet everybody. So if you just want to say hi and you can't really do a project right now, that's totally available too. I think it's going to be really fun, and I am looking forward to meeting people. And I don't mean like shake, 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 shake. I mean like meeting people at the meet and greet, because that's what it's about, is actually meeting people that are into what I love, which is of course art and creativity. Listen, I cannot wait to meet everyone who can come. I'm so excited, and I want you to know that even if you can't come, I have tons and tons and tons of love for you. We're going to keep traveling. You never know we're going to meet around the corner. Check out Made It Con. Check out the information below. Definitely leave some room in your car and luggage, because you are coming home hooked up. Be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and I want to see you at the easel really, really soon.